I want you to take a look at the VIX here. Pretty significant movement taking place here. It's going all the way back to 2021. You've had this as a constant support level. Even when the market was really bullish in 2021, it never broke back below it. 2022, for obvious reasons, it stayed above it because the market was down quite a bit that year. And the VIX tends to go the opposite direction of the market. But then here in 2023, we broke below it. We had a spike for a little bit here from the regional bank crisis, and then it's just been lower ever since. And now, going back to May and June of this year, we've essentially been trading underneath it the whole time. Now we're starting to perk up above it. We haven't been able, up until this past month or so, been able to get even a close above it. Here in October, you're seeing one close above it right here back on October 3rd, and then another one right here on October 13th. But you can't get the follow through. You can't get any follow through to the upside to where it builds on it. Instead, it gets that volatility crush that brings it right back down to earth each and every time. But now we're getting it again, like I said, second time in the last 4 trading sessions. Can it get that follow through to the upside? What it could really benefit from is a huge close to the upside. Then you could have the potential for a move back up to 22, 23. But one of the most interesting things is that when you look at the big tech stocks here, and when we look at the FANG stocks particularly, you got Microsoft, like on a day like today, only down 0.3% when you have the NASDAQ down point or over 1%. And it's holding up the NASDAQ by and large because you cannot get the weakness. Like, for instance, in Apple, yeah, it's down 4 days in a row. But every day so far over the last 3 days, it's been a higher close than from where it opened up at. So we're not getting that follow through to the downside. And despite the fact that the VIX is jumping all around this resistance level, we got to see whether or not maybe this is the time where it finally breaks through. Now, with TNX, and again, NASDAQ's largely ignoring it. Is the Russell? No, Russell's actually taking it pretty serious. But we actually break intraday above a 21-year resistance level, guys. I'm not even kidding you. This resistance level on TNX goes all the way back to 2001, 2002, and we're starting to break above it. This week so far has been a monumental week for the 10-year yields, continuing to climb. If you look at it on a monthly basis, we have risen for 6 straight months. That is massive. So we want to continue to see this little 5-day rally that we're on. Does that continue into tomorrow and continue to push through? Because right now, yeah, I'm not surprised that we're getting a little bit of pushback, just like what we saw from October. This is a monumental resistance level here. So if we break through it, there's a good chance that you're going to start to see cracks in the dam emerge and something break in the economy. And then at that point, probably wouldn't want to be anywhere near the stock market. If you enjoyed this video, I encourage you to like and subscribe and to click that little notification bell so you can get more videos just like this. Thank you and God bless.